Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can create an online banking account on National Australia Bank. National Australia Bank is one of the 4 largest financial institutions in Australia in terms of market capitalization, earnings and customer. It also includes online banking, bank accounts, credit cards, home loans and personal loans. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go into a new tab and searching for a nab.com.au and press enter. You will be directed to the official webpage of National Australia Bank. Here you need to click on the login option on top right side of the screen. You will see login form page where you need to provide your account credential, then click on login where you will get directly logged into your online banking account of National Australia Bank. As we are going to get a new register, you need to click on the link given new to NAB Internet Banking Register now. Click on it. For the registration in online banking of National Australia Bank, you need to go through 6 processes, that is, identify yourself, set up your password, activate features, electronic communications, confirm your details, then registration completed. At first, you need to provide your NAB ID. Here, after you provide your NAB ID, you need to click on the checkbox. At very last, then you click on continue where you will be redirected to another page that is set up your password. There you need to provide your password. Then following with you need to activate your features. Then in 4th step you need to have your electronic communications. Then at 5th step you need to confirm all your details. Then at last you will be done with your registration process. Then you will be able to register yourself for the online banking account on National Australia Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can sign up for a online banking account on National Australia Bank. Thank you.